Hi runners, my name is Dr. Jessica Gass. I am a physical therapist and running specialist. And in support of LA Roadrunners, we'll be providing a 15-minute strengthening routine that you can do a few times a week in preparation for the LA Marathon. If at any point you need to pause this video to grab a sip of water or use the restroom, feel free. This workout consists of 3 circuits of 3 exercises that we will be repeating 3 times on a 30-second timer. So follow along, let's get started. The first exercise is a squat. So with your feet about hip width apart, lower your hips down as if you're gonna sit in an invisible chair. Go down as deep as you feel comfortable and keep your eyes on your alignment, making sure that your knees are not caving in, almost as if you're trying to spread the floor apart wide. From side view, you're doing a hip hinge, bringing the butt back, nose over toes. Next exercise is a speed skater. So you're going to be on one foot and then hopping to the side. I like to keep everything squared off. So you're going to keep your belt line level instead of crisscrossing. We want to keep a nice squared off position as if you're running. If the side impact bothers you, you can also do a side step. Up to you, just keep it going. As you land, try to be soft on your feet. Good work. Next is an RDL. So you're going to hinge from the hips. You can do a double leg hinge as you reach for the floor, straight spine, or single leg. Up to you. I'm on my right leg. Keep that knee soft. Not a full squat position, more of a bow. You should feel a stretch in your hamstring as you lower down. Balance might get tricky. If you need to tap the floor with your back leg, feel free. This is strengthening your posterior chain. Good work. Now back to the squat. So feet about hip width apart, round 2. Let's go. If you want to make this harder, feel free to do a little squat jump. We are halfway. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Next is a speed skater. So that's side to side motion. Try to reach a little farther if you can. The farther you go, the more your balance might get thrown off, which means you need to engage those core muscles more. And the glute med, the muscles on your hips, to stabilize you. Good work. Stay strong. Halfway. Focus on your breathing. Try to keep it consistent. Nice and smooth. 3, 2, 1. Good. Back to the RDL. I was on my right leg before, so I'll be on my left this time. Hinge at the hips. Bow forward with a straight spine. If you need something to hold on to, feel free to be near the wall or a counter. You can also hold weight in your hand, tapping it down to the floor in front of you. 3, 2, 1. Round 3, back to the squats. Feet about hip width apart. Remember to hinge from the hips. And add a squat jump if you want to. When you jump, you're getting triple extension from the hips, knees, and ankles, pointing those toes in the air. 8 seconds. And time. Next is that speed skater. So side to side. Focus on keeping your form nice and aligned. Trying not to fall over. Nice soft landings. Squared hips. Aligned hip, knee, and ankle. Leaning forward from the hips. Good job. Now that RDL. So hinging from the hips. If you're wanting to do one leg at a time, I'll tell you when 15 seconds is up to switch. I'm on my right. Straight spine. Soften knee. Switch legs. Good work, guys. Hang in there. Nice work. Okay. That was the first circuit. Next exercise. Next circuit is a lunge. We'll start with that. So split stance. 1 foot in front. And lunge. So as you lunge, as you lower down, you want to look at your shoelaces. Think nose over toes. Most of your weight should be on that front leg. Back leg should be more so for balance. From side view, looks like this. I'm on my right leg. 10 seconds left. Good work. Next exercise is a bridge. So go ahead and lay on your back. Knees bent, feet flat. You're going to be lifting your hips. You can do double leg to keep it easy, or to make it harder, I'm pushing through my right leg with my left in the air. That left leg in the air could be anywhere. If you want to put your hands on your hips to make sure they stay level, you're using those glutes and hamstrings as you push through your feet to lift those hips. Engage the core, nice and strong. Good work. Next exercise is a heel raise. So let's get back up on our feet and hold on to something for balance. We're going to be on our right leg this round. So up on your toes and back down. Raising the heel, strengthening the calf. If you feel your balance is going to your little toes, try to shift the weight over to your big toe. That's a stronger for push off. 10 seconds to go. Then we're back to the lunge. Nice work. So for the first round, I was on my right leg. Now I'm going to be on my left for the lunge. Left in front, lower down, nose over toes. Back leg is just for balance. As I'm lowering down, I'm watching my knee, making sure that it's not going in front of my toes or caving inside of my foot. It's tracking directly over my ankle. From front view, it looks like this. Keep going. 10 seconds. Three, two, one. Bridge is next. Let's lay on our backs. I was pushing through my right foot on that first round, so this time I'm going to push through my left foot. Or you can stick with double leg. It's up to you. 30 seconds. Let's go. Fun fact, if you push more through your heel, you'll get more activation in your glutes. Versus if you push more through your toes or further away from you, you'll feel it more in the hamstrings. Keep your core engaged, back straight. Squeeze the glutes. Good work. Okay, that was the bridge. Next is heel raise. Finishing round two. So I was on my right foot before. Round two, we're on our left foot, up on the toes. Try to get as tall as you can. Letting that calf muscle do all the work, go down slowly and controlled. Try not to drop down too fast. Keep that muscle working. 5 more seconds. Push through that big toe. Good work. That was 2 rounds. We have 1 more round to go with lunges, bridges, and heel raises. For this last round, we're going to be alternating sides, starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's do right leg, step back, left leg. Right leg, lunge, left leg. As you lower down, you are making sure your knee stays behind your toes. You are leaning forward, hinging at the hips. Alternating sides, keep it going. Side view, 5 seconds to go. Great work. All right, we're back to the bridge. We will do right leg for 15 seconds and switch to the left. Let's go. If one leg is too hard, just do 2 legs until the timer beeps. You got this. Don't give up. This is the last round for this circuit. And then we have a core circuit after this, so prepare yourselves. You got this. Switch sides. Push tall, engage the core. Great work. All right, heel raises. We're going to do 15 seconds on the right and switch to the left. Ready? Begin. If you want to make this harder, hold weight in your hand. I like to hold it on the same side as the leg that's doing the work. Nice and tall, push it, switch sides. Almost there. Great work. We are now on our core circuit, final 3rd circuit of the workout, starting with dead bug. You're going to lay on your back and alternate sides. Reaching opposite arm and leg, engaging core, squishing your small of your back down to the floor. Try to feel that contact as you lower your opposite arm and leg. Good work. Your back might want to arch, but you have to engage more the further out your arms are. Good work. Okay, next is bird dog. So switching onto hands and knees and reaching opposite arm and leg. I want you to envision a glass of water on your back, trying not to spill the water, keeping your core nice and flat and stable as you reach, trying to elongate your arm and leg towards the wall in front of you and the wall behind you. Squeeze the glutes as you kick back. Squeeze the abs. Brace yourself. Good. Okay, next up is a side plank. I'm going to choose my right side for this first round. You can do modified on your knees. You can add a clamshell. You can add a leg raise. Or you can do a full side plank. Up to you. Just keep holding for 15 more seconds. Hang in there. This engages the oblique muscles on the side of your core and protects you from things like low back pain. 5 more seconds. Stay strong. And time. Good. Now we're back to dead bug. So you're going to rotate onto your back with your arms and legs up, alternating sides. Let's go. Engage the abs not to arch the back as you lower your arm and leg. You got this. Every rep is 1 step stronger for that marathon. We can do this. Preventing injuries with every exercise. Staying strong. Good work. Okay, flip it over, hands and knees. Time for the bird dog. Let's do it. And begin. Engage the core. Keep your back flat. Try not to rotate or twist as you reach. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the core. 5 seconds to go. That's it. Great work. Now we're on to side plank. I was on my right shoulder before, so now I'm on my left. And again, you can do the modified with your knees on the floor. You can add a clamshell. You can add a leg raise. Or you can do a full side plank. Either way, keep holding. Stay strong. Try to keep your shoulders stacked over your pelvis, trying not to twist forward or back, trying to keep it nice and aligned. Shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles. One straight line. You got this. Good work. Okay, one more round. Dead bug on your back. Arms and legs up. Reaching opposite arm and leg. This is the final round. Envision that finish line. You worked hard for this. Almost done. Engage the core, squish your back down to the floor as you elongate from hand to toe. Good. All right, next is bird dog. So flip it over, hands and knees. And go. Reach and squeeze. Alternate sides. Engage the core, keep the back flat. You got this, almost there. All right, grand finale, plank. Since we only have one more round, we're gonna be alternating sides for this. So this is the bonus. You can switch from your right elbow to your left elbow. If this is too hard, just stick to one side and I'll tell you when to switch. All right, we're at the halfway point, 15 seconds to go. Switch sides if you're only holding. Hang in there. Stay strong. Almost done. 3, 2, 1, and complete. Congratulations, you have just finished the body weight strengthening exercise for LA Roadrunners in preparation for the LA Marathon. Please like and subscribe to this video if you liked it and would like to see more. And I look forward to hearing about your training. Hope it goes well. We are here for you. Happy running.